Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop a Wallpaper Engine from running. Now the first thing I want you to do is just come here to the bottom right and click on this arrow. It will show you the hidden icons, and here you should find the Wallpaper Engine icon. Just go ahead and right click on this icon, and here the last option should be quit. Now if you click on quit, that should fully close Wallpaper Engine. But if for some reason Wallpaper Engine still reboots again, what I want you to do is just come back here, double click on Wallpaper Engine to actually open up the app. And once you have opened the app through that icon, just come here to the top, right click on settings. And here you should see this option that says general. I want you to click on general, and you should see start with Windows under automatic startup. Make sure this one is toggled off. Click on OK to save the changes, and then you can go ahead and click OK again. Now if you go ahead and close this, it should actually take full effect. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.